We are in Chicago, traveling for Thanksgiving, and I have a... No. That's strong. No. Oh, sorry, I was just... You sound like a freaking idiot. There's a Thanksgiving miracle. She lives. That's all.
But that wasn't all.
I don't know by what miracle this has happened. The bird opening spot has been fixed.
Said bird opening.
There was like literal bird's nests in there. I was gonna check. It is as though the gods heard me. It is done. It is done. And I no longer have soffit fascia hanging down from my property. I just never heard back from the roofing company, so I thought that they weren't interested. But apparently someone has done this. I'm sure the bill is en route to me as we speak. One thing I was sad about is there was a bunch of nests I could see. As though my mind was read, they are now sitting on my front porch. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them other than move them off of my front porch. I kind of wanted to make sure too that there was no like baby, I don't know what I was thinking. No baby birds or baby bird eggs.